Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and doing well. So beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a bold, sultry and a glittery black smoky eye makeups. The ultimate statement for a night out or any glamorous occasions. These eye makeups are all about intensity, drama, and that perfect blend of matte and shimmer. It's bold, it's fierce, and it's guaranteed to turn heads. So, if you are ready to sparkle, please watch my full video. Guys, smoky eyes are all about blending and layering, and these looks takes it up a notch with a stunning pop of glitter. The deep, dark base gives it an addictive edge, while the shimmer adds a touch of glam. Whether you are heading to a party, a special event, or just feeling extra fabulous, these looks is your go-to. So hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.